The Eurozone economy expanded to its slowest since mid-2014 at the end of 2019, as both France's and Italy's economy contracted due to strikes against President Emmanuel Macron's pension reforms and a sharp fall in Italian inventories. An unexpected decline in Germany's retail sales at the end of the year also became a factor to the Eurozone's mere 0.1% quarterly increase in output, while lower prices for packaged tour holidays also pushed inflation down in January. China's financial market stumbled as they resumed trading on Monday after an extended Lunar New Year holiday. The Shanghai Composite and the blue-chip CSI 300 index posted a near 8% drop, while the yuan shed 1.2% against the US dollar to mark its lowest in 8 weeks. And once again breaking the psychologically important mark of 7 to the dollar. Newly appointed CEO of Alphabet Inc., Sundar Pichai, revealed further details regarding the performance of some of the group's key operations, and many were left disappointed. The Google parent firm said YouTube generated a revenue of $15 billion in 2019, ending below the range that analysts estimated prior to the release, while its cloud storage business brought in $10 billion, slightly above expectations, although still behind Amazon Web Services and Microsoft's Azure. Oil prices gained more than 3% on Wednesday, driven by news of a drug breakthrough against the coronavirus outbreak, and the OPEC considering further output reductions to offset a potential decline in global demand. Both Brent crude oil futures and WTI crude futures rose over 3% in morning trade before the two benchmarks eased, trading up by 2.5% to $55.31 and $50.86 per barrel respectively. China announced on Thursday that it will cut import tariffs imposed on $75 billion worth of US products by half. The country's Ministry of Finance said the reductions apply to additional tariffs levied against 1,717 goods imported from the US in 2019 and will take effect on February 14.